Today's Tips du Jour mailbag question comes to us from Iowa. Robert, I need to replace a soundboard on one of my guitars. Can you offer any advice on how to do this? Jim in Iowa. Well, Jim, my first question to you is why? Why do you want to replace a soundboard? There are a few reasons. Perhaps you have some structural issues, some cracks that are beyond repair, some braces that are beyond repair, and perhaps you just want to replace the top. Okay. Another one would be perhaps you were not happy with the tonal results if you're building your own guitar. Another reason would be that perhaps you just did a sloppy job the first time around and you need to redo it. Hopefully that's not the case. Now there are some things to consider when you're doing a retop of a guitar. First of all, is there any historical value to the instrument? Does it need to stay in its original state? If that's the case, then perhaps you want to do some repair work as opposed to major surgery and replacing that top. Another thing to consider is, do you want to save the original bindings and purflings on that instrument? If you do, then take a walk over to John Greven's website. He has a method there that he shows how to retop a guitar, saving the bindings and the purflings. Now in my case, I've got a guitar on the bench that I'm going to go ahead and replace the top, and I'm not worried about saving the original bindings and purflings. So let me show you how it's done. Strap yourself in, let's go to work. So Jim in Iowa, thank you for your question. As you can see, it's pretty major surgery replacing a top. Now in my case, I've got it all the way into the binding stage. All I need to do is scrape it back, sand it, get it into the spray booth, put the guitar back together, send it back out. So, happy building.